So I have some bacon fat here in the saucepan, and I'm just crisping up a few shallots. I've crisped up some bacon, and I'm just letting it drain on a paper towel. And to this, I'm going to add some mushrooms for our mushroom forward marinara sauce. This is going to be a very, very hearty sauce. And I'm just going to coat those mushrooms in that bacon fat. And I'm going to let these cook down for a few minutes. Really want them to absorb that bacon fat. I'm going to add just a little bit more here. There we go. So I'm just going to let those cook down. Add a little bit of salt. We'll let those cook down for about 5 minutes. I'm also going to add in some red bell pepper, just for a little sweetness. This is a great, hearty, kind of chunky marinara sauce. And it's a great way to use your leftover marinara if you made like pizza the night before. I have a little bit of sofrito here that I'm also going to add in. Get that all mixed in. And then I've just got some leftover marinara here. I'm going to add that in. Get that all mixed in. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and add in that bacon. And then I'm just going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes. And it will be ready to serve over some pasta. This also makes a delicious pizza sauce on its own. I'm just going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes, and then that's it. That's all you need to do.